We're Megan and Anna, a multicultural couple who live in New Zealand but love to travel to new places. We are currently about to travel to the beautiful South America for 4 weeks, where we get to explore some of the most magical places, including Argentina, Chile, and Brazil. We can't wait to show you this truly beautiful place, from food to culture and landscapes. On that note, let's go to South America. Welcome back to Santiago, Chile. Now yesterday we travelled to a place called Valparaiso. Now that was about 2 hours from Santiago, where we saw these beautiful colourful houses with artwork everywhere. However, today we're going to be staying in the central city of Santiago, and I am so excited to explore this city. Now we've got a couple of things planned today. We're going to be going to the San Cristobal hill. Now this is essentially where the Virgin Mary stands over the whole city of Santiago, and you get the most amazing views up there. We're also going to be visiting the Gran Torre. Now this is the tallest building in South America, and we get the most amazing views from there. Now Gran Torre in English actually translates to big tower, so it is very, very big. Now I'm so excited to get this day started. We are going to head to a cute little cafe for breakfast, and then on that note, let's go!
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27.
Alrighty guys, so we've just come here to this beautiful little place called Wonderland. Now this was recommended. It is basically like Alice in Wonderland themed, and we just walked inside and there's like all these playing cards and everything. It is really, really gorgeous, and we've also ordered some breakfast and things. So I've ordered like a Wonder muffin and a Nutella latte. So they've got like really, really quirky things on the menu as well, and I am so excited. This place is awesome. So after you finish your meal at Wonderland Cafe, you can basically walk up these stairs, and they have all of these cool like Mad Hatter things that you can like take pictures with and just have a wee browse. There's a wee sign behind me here that says "We're all mad," and I know this sums up me and Anna perfectly, but this place is so cool. Make sure you come and check it out. You can take heaps and heaps of cool photos, and as always, we are always mad. Okay, so we're all finished at the Wonderland Cafe. We're now back in the metro because we're going to be making our way to San Cristobal, where the Virgin Mary sits over the hill. I am so excited. And again, we take the dreaded Santiago metro. Okay, so we've just hopped off the metro. Now we've got around like a 15 to 20 minute walk to, it's called Oasis Point. Now this is where we're going to catch the cable car up to the top of the hill. But the views over this side of town, like this is our first time on this side of town, and it is beautiful. I can actually see the tallest building in South America to my right hand side, and I looked at it and I was like, Wow, I don't know how I'm going to feel going up there, but I'm so excited. I think we're just in such a good mood today. We had like such a wonderful breakfast and now we're here and...
You would not believe what a jet lag can do to a person, you know. We're definitely different today.
Yeah, we're feeling good today. We don't feel as jet lagged. We had a good sleep last night, so... Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so we've just arrived at the cable car. Now we're just looking at the prices. Now one thing that I have to say around Santiago and Chile is there's nothing really in English, and so make sure you download your Google Translator app or learn some Spanish before you get here, because it'll be really hard if you don't know any Spanish. Now for one ticket it's going to cost us to go there and back to the top around 4,000 pesos, so I'll put what that is into New Zealand and US dollars as well. But we're very excited to go to the top, and it should take around like 5 to 10 minutes to get to the top as well. So let's go. I'm so excited. One thing is just like already seeing like the first perspective being so high in Santiago. It is a huge city and it is stunningly beautiful. This is the first like real look that I'm seeing of like all of the Andes mountains around. They are huge. Like being from New Zealand, I know mountains, but these are just, they're spectacular. You look at it and then you can just see the tallest building in Santiago, and in South America it's just, oh my god, the views are crazy cool. I'm loving it.
We bought the ticket that brings us all the way to the top. You have the option to stop on the middle. Because we got all the way to the top, we stopped by and then she said, do you guys want to continue? Do you have the ticket? And then she brought it up to the top. Our plan is going up, see the main view there, and then come back to the middle where they have pools, they have a zoo, they have all other options as well. If you want to bring your family, it's a good thing to do too. But on that note, if you're a little bit more cheaper budget, you can come up walking up and down. So if you're up to the challenge, go for it. Okay, so we've made it to the top. We're just gonna hop off now and admire this incredible view. I can't wait to it. So come on, let us up. Off you go.
Real quick, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us more than you think. Also, don't be shy to leave us a comment, as we always love hearing from you. Be sure to check out some of our other videos too, including taking a day trip to Valparaiso, a must-do when in Santiago. Now, back to the video.
So here on the top of the cable car, we're going to a very special place where they have a huge Virgin Mary. And I think it's interesting to show as well. They have this massive open plain service space. I believe they are used like in a special occasion. So all behind us they have those sets, and it's beautiful, full of like nice flowers and stuff. And I guess the father would be over there giving everyone a special services and parties and things like that. Well, for me especially, it's very special place, you know. It's very holy and brings nice feelings. So if you are religious or not, I think it's a nice place to visit.
The view from up here is insane. Like, you can see all over the city. It's just so special to see like a city like this with the mountains and how big it is. It's just blowing my mind actually how beautiful this is up here. Okay, so we're just finishing up here at the top. We're going to catch the cable car back down, and then we're going to head to the Gran Torre, where we're going to go up the tallest building in South America.
Back down we go. Woo! Woo! So fast. Woo! Just waiting for the lift to go up to the top and to the tallest building in South America. The tickets here, we just got one each. There was 10,000 pesos per person in New Zealand dollars. I think I'm gonna say $15, but Meg will put here the price because I don't know by heart.
So we just got out of the lift, and I'm going to try to say everything that I could understand in Spanish. We are in the tallest building of South America, 300 meters up into the sky. At the moment we are on floor 62, and there's still stairs to go up. There should be a restaurant here somewhere as well, and the rest we're going to discover together. On 62, and we're going to go up to the top floor. Let's go.
Now, a few more interesting facts around the Gran Torre. They bought the land in 1989, and then they started to build in 2005. It eventually got finished in 2015, so it took 10 years to build. But considering we're 300 meters off the ground, it's incredible. And if you see just at the top here, everything is actually open. And when you're 300 meters off the ground, it is a bit breezy up here, but the views are just absolutely insane. I mean, this was only 10,000 pesos, and I definitely think it's worth it. And we're gonna actually have a drink up here just to enjoy these views to the full.
Of the video for today, but stay tuned because we're still going to go to Argentina and my beautiful country Brazil. So comment, like, subscribe and keep following us on that travel. Bye!